And the record will indicate Mr. Kelly's present in the courtroom. Before we start, I just wanted to increase Mr. Kelly's bond. The state filed their motion. The defense filed a response to the motion.
So I wanted to make the court aware that the defendant has now been charged with sex charges, multiple additional sex counts in all these jurisdictions, and that should affect what the actual bond is being set in this case.
The mere fact that someone may have been charged with other cases in other jurisdiction is not a basis to increase bond. It's not a basis under the statute. It's not a basis under the case law. They don't argue that he's an increased flight risk. They don't argue that he's an increased danger.
Say that the defendant does have additional charges, and that absolutely is appropriate to bring before this court to ask that his bond be increased. He does have additional charges.
Based upon the fact that there's 4 cases, there's $250,000 D bond on each one of the cases, plus pretrial services, which I thought was appropriate based upon the information that I had regarding Mr. Kelly. I still believe that's true. That being said, I'm going to deny the motion at this particular point in time. If there's a change in circumstances and he is somehow released from custody and you want to bring it back before me, I'll take a look at it then. Okay. Which means that he would be held no bond. Mr. Greenberg, you want me to waive Mr. Kelly's appearance?
Please.
All right.
And if
Appearance on December 4th, and then we'll...
I would point out, Judge, if we are successful in getting...
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, court's in recess.